Liquid staking replaces DeFi lending as second largest crypto sector. The value of cryptocurrencies deposited in liquid staking protocols has increased to about $14 billion, trailing just deposits at decentralized exchanges. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Liquid staking, which allows users to earn rewards for locking cryptocurrency in a blockchain network while retaining the liquidity of the locked funds, is now bigger than decentralized lending and borrowing. The total value of crypto assets deposited in liquid staking protocols was $14.1 billion as of European hours on Monday, making it the second largest crypto market sector, according to data source DeFi Llama. The total value locked in the DeFi lending and borrowing protocols was $13.7 billion, the third largest, while decentralized exchanges, with deposits of $19.4 billion, held the top spot. Ethereum's upcoming Shanghai upgrade, which will allow stakers to withdraw the Ether, ETH, they have staked and the accumulated rewards for the first time, has galvanized investor interest in liquid staking. Liquid staking is the best performing crypto sector this year, with growth in total value locked, TVL, approaching 60%. The upgrade, will innovate the current space by allowing for healthy competition between liquid staking solutions, will strengthen ETH's position by providing yield from staking/unstaking, and will give users the security of maintaining sovereignty over their assets, Messari CEO Ryan Selkis said in a newsletter published Friday. By opening follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.